You guys stand there for me. Start clapping your hands.
What can I help you with?
Give me two. Your change is under the blue roll too. I just bought cheap batteries for $2 a day.
Here's one. That's right. Here's another one.
Okay, the first one is for another water bottle. Ticket number is 428. We know that guy. 428.
Are you videoing this?
Yep, you're going to be on YouTube.
Riviera Ridge. Come on down.
You're teasing me. A squirting bottle. Yes. Thank you.
Okay, the next door prize, this is actually something that, please pay attention. Marty from 1018 Customs, this is a killer set of pedals. They are brand new in the box. This is going to be a good one. 446.
That's me, baby. Is it? You dog.
See what happens when you pay attention? It goes real quick.
Oh, yeah, I got those for these.
See?
So we just walked up here for the raffle for the bike, and they were calling out a number, and they said, "Where's your raffle tickets?" I said, "Well, let me grab it." I said, "That's it, you're a winner." So I got a nice basket here. Woohoo!
That's some great bikes here.
We're gonna get a shot of the giveaway bike here. Isn't that cool? That's cool.
And just so you know, this owes you $10.
That owes you $10.
Yeah, I had to make change out of my pocket to do that. Oh, sorry. I can't control it.
You get signed in? You signed in so we can give away door prizes?
I got the tie downs out for it. Either way, I'll wind up on these.
Maybe you give me $20.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Yeah, 26.
Right now, in just a minute. Well, they got better than nice. All right. I don't win. I don't win things. I don't win things. I'm just a donation. That's why I play the lottery twice a week. Yeah. Hey, somebody's going. One of these days, maybe my luck will check. That's Take that. Yeah. I'd take that.
So if these tickets that I pulled out of my left pocket, if I pull these are mine. Does that mean I automatically? Okay, never mind.
Yeah.
Good, John. You win. Say something.
Are they in sequence? Because that makes it feel great.
Those were in my pocket.
Oh, your pocket. Okay, so these are.
All right, everybody ready? Hello. Everybody ready? Miss Shelley's going to pull a ticket. Here we go.
Not mine.
0, 0, 4.
Somebody say yeah.
0, 0, 4.
They're not here. Draw again.
Well, I just take
Gene, count to 10 for me. One, 6, 6.
right here. It's Kim's.
All right. Let's all be happy.
Kim Jugs. She won it. There you go.
All right.
I get to take it to her though.
166.
I think they're already on it.
All right. She's the one who organized all the artists and all the swap meet stuff.
Well, that's befitting.
Here,
Father's one owns the whole thing.
You know what? Hey. Keep it here. I'm gonna make her come get it.
So that's unofficial, right?
the cool thing about this is Kim and her dad are the ones that donated the land, so we could actually do this without money, without a charge. So that's very gracious of them. I'll tell you what, it worked out great. And wait till you see her face. Hang on, just wait for this. You'll love this.
Come on now.
Are those yours?
Those are mine.
Can you prove it?
No, I can't. Clark, can you prove it?
Good enough.
What's that number?
Oh, it's 1911166.
She can
All right.
That's hers. Here in a second, we're going to do the show and shine. So hang on just a minute.